wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Oh, hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, oh. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Hello, good morning guys. So today tinitesting ko tong GoPro 11. So as you can see, ayun yung nakalagay sa front cam ng motor. Nakaharap siya sa akin, facing the driver, no? Kasi wala pa siyang vlog case, yung Ulanzi na vlog case. So hindi ko pa siya mailagay dito sa helmet, kaya diyan ko siya nilagay sa may sa may motor muna. So itong nandito sa camera ko, nandito sa may helmet, ito yung Hero 8. So yung facing sa akin, ito yung Hero 11. So tinitesting ko siya ngayon, yung quality niya, stability niya. Naka-on yung Hypersmooth, pero on lang siya, hindi siya naka 5.0. Tinitingnan ko kung maganda, pero pag mauga yan, sa susunod na vlog ko, gagawin ko na siyang 5.0. So ang setting niya ngayon is 2.7K lang, 60 frames per second. Tapos yung Hypersmooth niya naka on lang siya, hindi siya naka 2.0 or 5.0. Titingnan ko kung mauga siya, kasi usually yung placement dyan sa harapan ng motor, pag dyan nakalagay sa may side mirror or anywhere dyan sa body ng motor, merong vibration eh. So let's see kung paano magpe-play yung yung feature ni Hypersmooth dito sa mga ganitong situation. So dati kasi nung wala pa yung Hero 11 na yan, which is regalo sa akin ni Mrs. Salamat sa iyo, love. Thank you, I love you. Pa-birthday niya sa akin yan, advance. So nung wala pa yan, ang ginagamit ko dyan sa front cam yung SJ Cam 5000 ba yan? SJ 5000. So medyo maano siya, ma-vibrate. Kaya yung video hindi maganda, yung result medyo shaky. Hindi naman ganun ka shaky siya, kaya lang makikita pa rin, noticeable. So ngayon pag nakabili ako ng vlog case para dyan kay Hero 11, ilalagay ko na dito yan sa helmet ko. Tapos etong Hero 8 lang ilalagay ko dyan sa motorcycle, dyan sa harapan. So ayun lang guys, short vlog lang to. Thank you for watching. Ino-observe ko lang muna kung ano yung magiging result nitong video na to. So focus muna ako sa driving. Salamat for watching this video. Sa mga bago sa video ko, bibigyan ko to ng thorough review in the future, siguro after 1 month. So guys, again, maraming salamat sa panonood. And then please subscribe to my channel sa mga bago pa sa channel ko. And please hit the notification button para sa mga susunod pa nating vlogs, videos. So maraming salamat sa inyo guys. Ingat kayo palagi. Always ride safe sa mga tropa nating rider dyan. And God bless to you all. Good morning. Enjoy the music.
Let's go. Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8